We are now required to re-express dE from this form that we have found in part 2 of the question to this form. So it is the application of the R formula. If I were to expand this, we have a R times of cosine theta cosine alpha minus sine theta sine alpha. And expanding R in, we have a R cosine theta cosine alpha minus R sine theta sine alpha. And if I were to compare this to this, 1200 is going to be matched to R cosine alpha because we have a cosine theta here and a cosine theta here. And 800 is going to be matched to R sine alpha because there's a sine theta here and a sine theta here, which means that R cosine alpha is going to be 1200. I'm going to call this equation A. And R sine alpha is going to be 800. I'm going to call this equation B. In order for me to find R, let's take equation number A. We will square it and plus equation B. And this will give us a R square cosine square alpha. If I were to square this, plus if I were to square this, it is going to be R square sine square alpha. This will be 1200 square plus 800 square. As for this that is here, if I were to factorize out R square, we will have a cosine square alpha plus sine square alpha, which means that applying trigo identity in the next step, this is going to become 1. And this is 1200 square plus 800 square, which means that R square is going to be just 1200 square plus 800 square, which tells me that R is going to be just square root of this, and we will be getting a 400 of square root of 13. We will need to find another version for alpha. So to find alpha, let's take equation B divided by equation A. So if I were to take B divided by A, we will have a R sine alpha divided by R cosine alpha, which is going to be 800 divided by 1200. So R and R will disappear. Sine divided by cosine is going to be tangent, which means that tangent alpha is going to be 800 divided by 1200, which is 2/3. This tells me that alpha, which is going to be tangent inverse of 2/3, is 33.690 degrees, which means that now dE can be re-expressed as R, which is 400 square root of 13 cosine of theta plus alpha, which is 33.690 degrees. And according to the question, dE is also 200 meters, which means that 400 square root of 13 cosine theta plus 33.690 degrees can also be matched to 200. So cosine of theta plus 33.690 degrees is going to be 200 divided by 400 square root of 13, which means that theta plus 33.690 degrees is just simply going to be cosine inverse of this, 200 divided by 400 square root of 13, which means that theta is going to be this, minus away 33.690 degrees, and this will give me theta to be 48.3 degrees.